From ManageEngine New Zealand from Soft Solutions team. In this week's video, I'm going to give some security tips on how we can avoid phishing attack and spear phishing attack. I hope you guys had a look at the latest update from the security news thread post. Spear phishing attack spoofs Microsoft.com to target 200 million Office 365 users, and how we can avoid such attack. And the tips to avoid such attacks is very much the user awareness and education, and also have the right tools in place in your environment so that it helps you to identify any sort of suspicious email based on a keyword present in the subject and body. If it also helps you to locate email based on an attachment type or attachment file size or attachment extension. So we have a specific solution that aids this tool called Exchange Reporter Plus. And also when it comes as part of a 360 solution, as Log 360 solution, then you have a better control and visibility over such attacks. And the best way to avoid such attack is be wary of any such urgency in the email communication. Do not accept or open any emails from the strangers, and pretty much making sure that all your users are trained and well aware of such dubious email that they do get to retrieve some personal informations. If you guys need to know more on how we can help in ensuring that your security journey is in place, please do reach out to our team in New Zealand. We are always here